I'll show you how to draw the Fibonacci retracement tool on TradingView. Get the asset that you want to chart up on your screen. So top left, choose the asset. I've got Bitcoin right here. I'll be looking at a candlestick chart, this one. And then for the time frame, I'm looking at the daily. You can choose any time frame, however, lower time frames have far less confidence. Higher time frames are a little bit better, like the daily, weekly, or monthly here. Now we can choose the Fibonacci retracement tool. On the left-hand side, click the drop down here, and then Fib retracement. Now, what we want to do is find an uptrend or an upswing in the price. The Fibonacci retracement tool is going to give us an area where the price may retrace to. So we're looking at an uptrend that may retrace. So we need to find that uptrend or upswing first. This one right here is good to chart. So we have a low point for that uptrend and the high point. That's what you need to chart right here. So get the low point of the swing and then click the Fib retracement tool on right here. Then we need to draw that upwards to the top end of that swing. You can see that here. So this line here is the bottom end of that swing, and then this is the top end of that swing. Draw it over, and you now have the Fib retracement tool drawn. Yours may not look like this. So once you've drawn that, you can go into the settings, and you can screenshot here or pause the video to see my settings. The reason I have these is because we have the lower and upper bound, but right here is what's called the golden pocket or golden zone, which is where most traders will trade the Fib retracement tool. So 0.382, 0.5, 0.618. That is the golden pocket right there, and so that's what I want to chart. So you can change the colors and everything like that in the background if you want, but I'm going to press OK, and right here is the golden pocket. This is where traders trade. So as you can see, we get the swing low and the swing high, and the price comes around, finds a lot of support around these levels, and then eventually goes into the golden pocket, which is a great opportunity to trade. And of course, after that, we do get some bounce around and then we move higher again. So that is where traders would actually trade the Fibonacci. If you want a Fibonacci trading strategy, I'll leave that link below, and some deposit and trading bonuses to the exchanges I use, all linked down in the description. I'm James, it's MoneyGG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.